Hi there. Today we're going to make this really cute postage stamp peony card that you could use for anything. It could be birthday or get well card or just because card. It's blank on the inside. I didn't put a sentiment in there, so you can put whatever you want in there. But this is a super cute card to make. So let's get started.
For this card, I would like to maybe make it look a little bit more dimensional. So I am going to use some of this distress ink. And I don't really know for sure what color I want. So I'm just going to take the tops off of these, and I've got kind of a scratch piece of paper, and I'm just going to sort of go through and decide which one I like the best. This one just looks like it's black. And I sort of like the look of a little bit more vintage. So I'm going to try to go in that direction. That was kind of nice. Yeah, I think I like this one the best. Actually, no, this one's the black one. I think this one is the one that I like the best. Nope. This one is vintage photo. I think I like this one. This is walnut stain. Yeah, that's the one. So I'm going to take this, and I've got one of these little pads, and it's actually got a Velcro on it, so you can use one of these pads and switch it out if you have different color inks, and that way you don't have to worry about mixing up inks. So I am going to try using this and see if that works. May not work. Well, it does work. Okay. Kind of like that. Oops, already got a thumb mark on there, so I'll flip it over. Yeah, I like that sort of vintagey edge. So that gives it a little extra something. And I like the way that that looks. So that is going to be that piece. Now, these, I have to figure out what exactly I want to do. Do I want to do the pop dots off of this? Do I want to put the pop dots on that? I kind of feel like I want to stick this one down and do pop dots off the card. And then maybe I'll do the pop dots off of this one. Let me just see what I think that's going to look like. But I think I'm definitely going to stick this one down to that. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And I'm going to get out my tape glue runner and go ahead and use that. Gotta make sure you get it on nice and square. Rectangular, as this is. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty good. And I'm going to put this 5 cents up here in the corner. So I'm going to use some transfer tape. This is too big, obviously, but that's okay. there. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my flower down. Well, actually, I think what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to put this together first, because I want to make sure that I get it right. And there's the flower. So that's actually going to fit behind that, as you can see. So I think I'm going to go ahead and place my flower where I want it. I think that's going to work. And here is the stem for the flower. So I'm going to go ahead and use my pen glue to do the stem of the flower. I'll dab at it till I get it down. And looks like I missed underneath my stem. So, all right. The good thing about this glue is that it dries clear, so I don't have to worry about it being weird. So this is the shading for the leaves. Okay. Oh, I've got my front of my card here. And I think I might go ahead and do some more, just stressing on the edges of this. I'm going to use the same color and very lightly. Oops, forgot I'm not using it that way. I actually like it better with in the sponge. It doesn't make streaks. And so that's actually kind of nice. The whole point is just to kind of make it look a little bit aged. I just kind of like the way that looks, just sort of aged here and there. And that's what that looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do is fold my card. I like to use my bone folder to get a nice crease. And you could put any sentiment that you'd like on the inside. And I think I am going to just do it like this. I can't decide if I'm going to do a pop dot on the back of this part of the card, or if I want to do something different. Just glue it right down. So I'm going to use these big pop dots here. So I'm going to place this as closely to the middle as I can. Oh, that looks pretty good. I like it standing up off the card like that. Oh, now I gotta make a decision about this. I think I might like it standing up off the card, so I think I am going to do that too with this one. Okay, now I've got my cute little postage stamp greeting card.
This craft is one of many fun projects I have designed. If you like my work, be sure to click on the link in the description box below to check out my other crafting projects. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you'll be the first to know when I upload new content. Hey, do you like freebies? I have a link for that. Click on my freebie link for an instant download craft bundle that I put together just for you.